All right, so we finished with the unboxing for the Malibu Cloud by Lemons and Me. And I think you can tell by my smile how happy I am. That was really, really easy. It's literally take it out of the box and it's ready to use. It was wrapped with like a nylon wrap. The box even marked where is the bottom and where is the top, so you know where it's gonna be the easiest to just open it and take it out. Here are the latches. It was already built in. It looks like super heavy duty. So let's figure out together how it flows. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm loving that. That was super easy, easier than I thought. This is super strong. Yeah, 10 out of 10. So there it is. I mean, it's all there. The covers are installed on. You get the pillows, you just fix them, fluff it a little bit. The Velcro is already attached. Everything is like prepared and ready to go. The easiest assembly ever. Oh my God, I love that.